So I came from Frankfurt yesterday. I slept at 12:30 in the morning, woke up at 4:30, thanks to jet lag. But I'm super excited because I'm flying home tonight. Also, I'm getting my room clean, which is in a messy condition since more than a month. Also, I love how my shirt is being the center of attraction. It's there since 3 days. To go home yesterday, but I did not go because my whole house is a mess. My living room is a mess. And this is disaster. So I need to get it fixed before I go home for Diwali. So I tried to clean my house as much as I can. Then I realized it's not my cup of tea and I had to call someone from outside to help me. So I called this lady from outside. She generally goes to all the crew apartments to clean their houses and wardrobe. And she charges 30 Qatari riyals an hour. She was here for 2 hours, so the total is 60 riyals. But since it is Diwali and I wanted to gift her something, so I gave a total of 100 Qatari riyals. She is a pretty reliable lady, and if you need her assistance, you can contact me and I can give you her details. It's all old clothes. Like half of them are mine and half of them somebody gifted me. Like a lot of people. You need more. This is the household. Yes. It's already morning. It's super humid outside. Super humid.
2 hours later.
I feel so nice. My house is at least clean and my room. Dun, dun, dun. So everything has been done. My wardrobe, it's all set. So now I'm going home for Diwali. So this is our Hamad International Airport, जहाँ पे मैं आ गई हूँ अपना बोरिया बिस्तर लेके, which is ranked for the world's best airport, also the best airport in the Middle East. This teddy, I hate this teddy. Now believe me, I have slept only for 8 hours in the last 24 hours. It was super exhausting, and as I'm going home, I wanted to buy some gifts from my family. So I was here in Doha, somewhere here. कहीं तो भी थी मैं दोहा पे, इधर उधर गिफ्ट्स लेते हुए उनके लिए. Also, I have noticed one thing. So when I was in India, I did not get time to celebrate festivals with my family as I was not staying in Nagpur. I was staying in the other cities. But ever since I have moved to Qatar, so I make sure, okay, that I celebrate each and every festival, and I do get the time. So this is the opposite which has happened to me, and I'm so lucky. So last time I came home in Ganesh Chaturthi. Now it's Diwali, and I guess I would be here for New Year as well. So I had some time in my hand, so I came here in Souk. So we had two souks in Doha. That is, one is Souk Waqif, which is in the city, and the other is Souk Wakra. This is my favorite place. I go there every time. So this is the souk which is there in airport, and I stayed there and I wasted some money, of course. It's so expensive here. Obviously this is airport, so it has to be expensive. This salad I eat at 10 riyals. How much is fucking 37? So I was supposed to fly home yesterday because I landed around 4:30, like 1600 hours, and so मेरे पास enough time था. But I was super tired. मैंने अपनी packing नहीं करी और मेरा room was in a messy condition. So I thought, okay, let's just fly tomorrow, like today, and do all of the tasks. And also I have decided कि मैं airport आऊँगी like at least an hour, 60 or like 80 minutes before, so that I can shoot everything. But नहीं हुआ वैसा. मैं सोती रही. मैं सोई नहीं यार, मैं jet lag थी. Okay, I was jet lag. मैं jet lag थी क्या होता? I was jet lag. So I did not come here an hour ago. I just have 10 minutes to the boarding. At least the boarding gate is just here. This is Delta. Boarding is somewhere here, so I can go and run. So you have seen normal gardens in the city, but would you believe that we have such a great garden inside the airport? Yes, that is called as an orchard garden, which is there inside our airport. So I don't know, ये लोग यहाँ पे मीटिंग कर रहे हैं. दिस इज सो क्यूट. एंड एक्चुअली यहाँ पे लोग बैठ के आराम कर रहे हैं. ऐसा मैं भी कर सकती थी बट ऐसा नहीं हुआ बिकॉज सी यू कैन सी राइट. ये मैं होती पर अभी मुझे भागना पड़ेगा फ्लाइट के लिए. सो बेसिकली मुझे एयरक्राफ्ट का कैसरोल नहीं खाना था. सो आई हैड दिस डैनिश ब्राउनी फ्रॉम LPC. इट वॉज ओके. इट्स नॉट दैट आई वांटेड टू वेस्ट माई मनी ऑन एक्सपेंसिव फूड द एयरक्राफ्ट. मैंने इन द एयरपोर्ट द पॉइंट इज़ मैंने सुबह से कुछ नहीं खाया था. मैं सुपर बिजी थी. सो आई जस्ट वेस्टेड सम मनी. ऑल्सो दिस इज़ मी वॉचिंग माई सेल्फ क्योंकि मैं कुछ खा नहीं सकती बिना गिराए. So we have these shops in HIA where you can buy gifts for yourself or for me or your family for Diwali. And we have little discount like the one who works in airport. Also the flight information so that I can board the correct flight. It's not that I'm going to board the wrong flight. I'm a little excited because जब भी मैं excited होती हूँ I go something wrong. Generally the flights from Doha to Nagpur are not crowded but since it is Diwali, the aircraft was fully packed. And here I landed. So मेरी फैमिली बाहर मेरे लिए वेट कर रही है और यहाँ मेरा सामान आने का नाम ही नहीं ले रहा है. फाइनली बैग्स आ गए और मैं जा रही हूँ घर पे. सी यू बाय. सो आफ्टर सो मच ऑफ मेहनत मशक्क़त आई एम फाइनली होम. ऑल्सो द प्लेस वेयर आई एम स्टैंडिंग दिस इज द ऑफिस जहाँ पे मेरा भाई रहता है. सो कंसिडर लुकिंग द एस्थेटिक्स ऑल द वे इधर उधर यहाँ पे. Also, I would be uploading more vlogs. So, please stay tuned. Bye.